Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some seriously cool science fair projects that tackle the big kahuna, climate change. So, buckle up and let's jump right in. First up, we're shining a light on a problem that affects millions: access to clean drinking water. This project explores using the sun to purify water. You'll build your own solar-powered water purification system using readily available materials. Test your system by comparing water quality before and after purification. Take it up a notch by exploring different solar still designs and factors like sunlight, intensity, and temperature. It's a guaranteed head-turner at any science fair. Ever wonder about your own impact on the planet? Have you considered how your daily activities contribute to the overall health of our environment? In this project, you become a carbon footprint detective. You'll dive deep into understanding how different actions, from commuting to eating, affect carbon emissions. Research different activities and their associated carbon emissions. Learn about the hidden costs of everyday conveniences and how they add up over time. Design an interactive quiz, website, or app to measure carbon footprints. Make it engaging and educational, so others can easily understand their impact. Test it out on friends and family, and offer practical tips on reducing their carbon footprint. Share insights on how small changes can lead to significant differences. This project is about raising awareness and promoting sustainable living. Encourage your community to adopt greener habits and make more eco-friendly choices. Combine technology, environmental science, and social activism. Use your skills to create tools that can drive real change and inspire others to take action. It's a fantastic way to make informed choices and inspire others. Together, we can make a difference and contribute to a healthier planet for future generations. Remember those green, slimy things in ponds? They might be the key to a greener future. Certain types of algae are packed with oil that can be converted into biofuel. Cultivate your own algae and learn how to extract the oil. Experiment with variables like light exposure and nutrient levels to see how they affect algae growth. This project is a hands-on exploration of biofuel production and the potential of algae to revolutionize the energy sector. Ever notice how cities feel hotter than the countryside? This isn't just your imagination. Cities are often several degrees warmer than their rural surroundings. That's the urban heat island effect, a phenomenon where urban areas become significantly warmer than their rural counterparts due to human activities. This project delves into the science behind this phenomenon and explores ways to combat it. We look at how buildings, roads, and other infrastructure absorb and re-emit the sun's heat more than natural landscapes. Become a temperature detective and map out temperature variations in your city. Use tools like thermometers and infrared cameras to gather data. Compare temperatures in different areas like parks and parking lots. Notice how green spaces tend to be cooler than areas dominated by concrete and asphalt. Research strategies for mitigating the urban heat island effect, such as planting trees and creating green spaces. These solutions not only cool the environment, but also improve air quality and enhance urban biodiversity. Combine environmental science, urban planning, and community action. Work together with local authorities, scientists, and community groups to implement effective solutions. Raise awareness and advocate for solutions. Engage in community events, spread the word, and push for policies that promote sustainable urban development. Our oceans are facing a silent threat: acidification. As CO2 levels rise, our oceans absorb more, making them more acidic. Create a mini-ocean and simulate the effects of ocean acidification. Observe how pH levels change and how this impacts marine life. Experiment with different types of shells to see their reactions. Use your findings to create a compelling presentation or video. Raise awareness about ocean acidification and inspire others to take action. Renewable energy is the future, but which source reigns supreme? Compare the efficiency and environmental impact of different renewable energy sources like solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal. Create a visual representation of your findings. Design a chart, graph, or interactive map highlighting the best locations for different energy sources. Explore the future of energy and advocate for a sustainable energy grid. It's a renewable energy showdown. Climate change isn't just about melting glaciers, it's also about what's on our plates. The rising temperatures and shifting weather patterns have a profound impact on agriculture, affecting the very crops that sustain us. Explore how climate change affects agriculture and food production. From the fields where our food is grown to the factories where it's processed, every step of the food supply chain is influenced by the changing climate. Choose a specific crop and research how changing temperatures and weather patterns impact its growth. For instance, corn might suffer from droughts, while rice could be affected by flooding. Conduct a hands-on experiment by growing the same crop under different simulated climate conditions. This can help you understand the real-world implications of climate change on agriculture. Compare growth rates and yields to see how climate change might affect our future food supply. This data can provide valuable insights into which crops might thrive and which might struggle. Connect the dots between climate change and food. Understanding this connection is crucial for developing strategies to ensure food security in the future. Raise awareness about the challenges facing agriculture and explore sustainable farming practices. By adopting more resilient and eco-friendly methods, we can mitigate some of the adverse effects of climate change on our food supply. Imagine cities covered in lush greenery, a haven for both people and the planet. Explore the concept of green roofs and walls and their potential to transform urban environments. Create your own miniature green roof or wall and monitor its effectiveness. Research the benefits of different plant species for green roofs and walls. Combine environmental science, urban design, and a touch of green thumb to advocate for greener, healthier cities. Plastic pollution is a huge problem, but what can we do about it? Become a plastic waste warrior and develop innovative solutions to reduce plastic waste. Audit your own plastic consumption and identify areas to cut back. Design a product or system that reduces plastic waste in your home, school, or community. Take action and inspire others to do the same, advocating for a more sustainable future. Knowledge is power, and this project is all about empowering others to take action on climate change. Create a captivating awareness campaign targeting a specific audience. Design eye-catching posters, write catchy slogans, or produce a short video. Organize a community event or workshop to spread the word. Use your voice and creativity to make a difference and inspire others to join the fight for a healthier planet. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these ideas, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content. See you next time.